Good evening, everyone. Welcome to my pair programming simulation, I guess, for homework one for SAAS Part 2. This assignment is about bug fixes of one of the websites on Heroku. The course concept is great, which is using cucumbers and RSpec, trying to troubleshoot and do a bug fix, and then push it out into Heroku. The infrastructure is good because you're working with a piece of legacy code. So in a sense, this is the website, and once you're on it, and if you're trying to add a category as an administrator, you will see an error page saying that the page you were looking at does not exist. And the reason being is, that code has been seeded with a bug, where this course is about how to use Cucumber and RSpec to, run the code as you go using TDD and method, and to help you along that line. Well, I'm kind of late in the game. I'm not too familiar with Cucumber. I'm still processing of learning it. The deadline is coming up in 1 hour. I have no choice but to use brute force. Professionally, I am a programmer doing a lot of customers in terms of troubleshooting, bug fixes, site issues. So I'm very used to brute forcing. I know this is not the intent of the course, and I promise I will go back in the material, catch up on my Cucumber skill, and use proper Cucumber to find a bug. But let me show you how I did mine. So basically, looking at the code, notice that category is the only one that has problem. And what you're trying to do is, when you click category, it's supposed to allow you to edit or new, much like, say, tags. Okay. So when you click tags, it's trying to do the right thing by looking at, hey, there's no tags. What do you want to do? Same thing with articles and all that. So I say, okay, well, if these are just entities, be it tags, categories, or article, there is a new or edit mode. That means in terms of source code, there must be working example of how this model is supposed to work. So regardless of tools I've chosen, I just go into the file system, look at the controller, which is about, I'm an admin, so admin controller, here we go. All kinds of stuff that you can do. So I pick something, say post type, right? The type of post, and open it. And long and behold, post type has the code very, very, very similar to category. And by running the application in your local mode, when you run it, it has an active record error. It points to a file. The file is called category controller, and it was saying that error is on line 28. Okay, line 28, it's about new or edit. So I say, okay, well, new or edit, let's take a look at what a post type should do. So post type, same thing, new or edit. And he's saying that ID is missing. Aha, because if ID is not there, instead of to find it, we should create one. Apply the same logic to category controller. There you go. Very simple. If you don't have my experience like this, yes, Cucumber would be the tool to use. I'm still learning it. Hopefully, I'll get some more insight when I get to that part. But anyways, here we go. Finding the problem, and then push it out to Heroku and submit the homework that way. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.